History trivia game, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to win a card in all 5 categories. Lay out the board, shuffle the selection cards, and flip one over into the selection spot on the board. This letter determines which question option you will read on all the cards for the entire game. Place the remaining selector cards face down. Shuffle each category deck, then deal one card from each face down to an empty space on the board. Place each deck face down on the table. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, select one face down question card from the board. The player to your left reads the question aloud as indicated by the selection card, keeping the answer on the card hidden. Then, you must answer the question. If you answer correctly, you collect the card in front of you. If you answer incorrectly, then the card is discarded next to its corresponding deck. Your turn is now over, and you place the top card from any category of your choice into the empty spot on the board. There is no limit to the number of duplicate categories that can be on the board. If a category deck runs out of cards, shuffle every category discard into its respective deck. Then replace the selector card on the board with a new one. This new selector card will be used for all categories going forward. If you collect 3 category cards from the same category, those 3 cards may count as a wild for any one category. There is no limit to the number of wilds you can have from the same category, and you can change which category a wild represents at any time. It is possible to win the game by correctly answering 13 questions in the same category. The first player to collect at least one card in all 5 different categories wins.